Hello.
I hear you.
Okay.
Hello, good morning.
Hey, I hear you too. Just wait a sec.
Okay, if everyone could enable in the bottom left-hand corner, if you have a touch screen, you might need to touch the screen, but you'll need to enable the video on your device. And it appears as though you've already enabled the audio.
We have all audio on ours. Or it goes through here.
All right, so we got Mr. Dowdy, Miss Dowdy, and Miss Baird. And Mr. and Miss Dowdy, where do y'all live?
Georgia.
Oh,
Georgia.
y'all are all in Georgia.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are y'all in Dublin, Georgia?
Jeff
Yes,
and I
sir.
live in East Dublin, Georgia, but it's right outside of Dublin. Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, I don't know where either one of them are. All right, if I could get the three of you to raise your right hands, please. Do you and each of you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth, so help you God?
I do.
I do.
All right, go right ahead, Mr. Vernon.
All right.
You're muted, Mr. Vernon.
Yeah, here for here.
Okay. Go ahead.
So, Mr. Dowdy, do you have a document titled Affidavit of Facts Concerning Identity of Heirs?
Yes, I do.
And you've gone over that document?
Yes, I have.
And everything in there is true and correct?
Yes, it is.
All right. Pass the witness.
No questions, Your Honor.
Mrs. Dowdy, you also have a document in front of you entitled Affidavit of Identity of Heirs.
Yes,
And have you gone over that document?
I have.
And everything in there is true and correct?
It is true and correct. Yes.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
No questions, Your Honor.
Okay, court takes notice of the ad litem's report and assign the order. Okay, so y'all are gonna make arrangements, and this will apply to you also, Ms. Baird. After the
Yes.
hearing is over, you're gonna sign your proofs before a notary public and return those to Mr. Vernon. He'll then e-file those with the county clerk's office. When he does that, I will sign the order, assuming that Ms. Baird's testimony bears out everything on the proof of death and other facts. In addition to that, Ms. Baird, you're gonna have an oath that you're gonna sign, and y'all will each need to make sure that you sign them just as your names are typed on those documents, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, go right ahead, Mr. Vernon.
Ms. Baird, you have a document in front of you entitled Proof of Death and Other Facts. Is that correct?
I do.
And you've had a chance to go over that document?
Yes, sir.
And everything in there is true and correct?
It is.
All right, no further questions, Your Honor.
All right. So again, you'll sign that proof of death and other facts before a notary, as well as your oath, and return those to him. Once you do that, I will sign the judgment declaring heirship and the order authorizing independent administration. I will also authorize the county clerk to issue you, Ms. Baird, letters of administration. Those letters will give you authority to act on behalf of the estate. So if you need to enter into agreements with real estate sales agents, deal with financial institutions, insurance companies, anything of that nature, you'll be able to do so. Make sure that you cooperate with Mr. Vernon in doing an inventory. The Texas Estates Code requires an inventory to be filed within 90 days of the date I sign that order. So if it takes 4 or 5 days for y'all to get those affidavits back to him, it'll be the end of this week or the beginning of next week before I sign the orders. But you'll have 90 days from that date to get that inventory taken care of, okay?
Okay.
All right, and she appointed a resident agent?
Yes, sir. Myself.
Okay, very good. And that will take care of everything. Thank you for appearing here today, and I hope y'all have a great week, and Mr. Vernon will move everything along for you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you so much.
I'll take
Thank you.
care.